What's up guys, this is Ved, and today we are going to learn how to deal with the multiple installation of Python in your Linux machine. Let me tell you why I am uploading this video, because I was installing W3AF, which is a web attacking or auditing framework for pen testing, and there was and it was giving me error every time I want to run the setup.py file, because let me show you that I have multiple installation of Python. The first one is Python 2.7.6, and the other one is Python 3.4.0. So the setup.py file got confused how to deal with the multiple installation of Pythons. So in here, let me tell you that if I'm going to type in only Python, okay, so it will load the 2.7.61 because it is the default Python in my Linux machine. So I want to run that setup.py with the Python 3. So for that I have to do some tweaks with my file system and bash.rc file or bash rc file. Okay, so let's see what we can do to make our Python 3 or Python 2 or any other version of Python default. Okay, so let's see. First of all, we have to navigate to our home directory. Okay, and in here you can check in your Linux machine also that there is a file named bash rc, and which is a hidden file by default, so there is a dot before the file. Okay, so as you can see that command not found, it's in Hindi, आदेश पाया नहीं गया and all, sorry. So if I want to edit that file, I can go with the gedit, which is the text editor, or I can go with the cat and followed by the file name, which is bash rc in bash rc. So what this command gonna do, it will open a window of cat. As you can, just a minute, as you can see that in the last of this file, let me zoom in the last of the file, as you can see that alias python is equal to python 2. Okay, so just because of we are going to and because of that we are going to type python, and it will load the python 2, not python 3. So if you want to make the python 3 default, let's see what we can do. Nothing, you have to you have to change the python 2 to python 3, that's it, and save that. Okay, so let's close this terminal, and I'm going to open a new session. Okay, so let's once again let's hit python, and this time it is going to load the python 3.4.0. okay, once again let's navigate to our home directory, and again let's open that bash rc file with cat, and this time we are going to make alias to python 2, so that we can run the python 2.7.3 directly by the syntax python. Okay, let's save it again, and again I am going to start the new session of my terminal. Okay, so let's hit python, and bang, as you can see that it is going to load the python 2.7.6. It took me about 2 or 3 hours to identify or do these tweaks to install the w3af. Okay, so if maybe there are chances that in future you got stuck at that point, that how I can deal with the multiple installation of python. I code in python with python 2.7 and python 3 also. So this tweak will help you a lot. So thank you for watching. This is Ved. Bye. Please subscribe, and if there is any query or question or suggestions, please comment it below, and we'll sort it out together. Thank you for watching. Bye.